Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable poofy fall deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems already attached, or you can attach your own stems. I'll link that in the description box down below. An adorable sign for the center, 10-inch deco mesh, ribbon, 2-inch width and 5/8 inch width, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I'm raising all of my stems. I always start out by raising my stems so that I don't have to stop and do this step in the middle of making my wreath. Alright, so now I'm going to start by adding my mesh. You can use two of the same color, you can use just one roll, but for this specific wreath, I'm going to layer my two colors, one on top of the other, because I think that's just going to look so cute. Alright, so I'm going to fold my mesh to a nice little point. Start on my inner ring, place my mesh, twist it a couple of times, just like that. And then I'm going to make a poof. Now the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be. You could even measure the size of your poofs if you want to make sure they're exactly uniform. So I just kind of estimate the size of my poof, place it in the next stem, and twist it a couple of times, just like that. And I'm going to repeat this step in the next inner stem, and I'm just going to work my way all the way around the inner stem and then come back and repeat the same steps on the outer stem. Alright, so I'm coming back to my starting point. Again, I'm just going to make another poof, untwist my starting stem, place my mesh, and twist it again. Now at this point, you can just continue on the outer ring, or you can cut it and start over on the outer ring. Either way works. I'm just going to cut my mesh and start over on the outer ring. So I'm just going to tuck that mesh away. And then again, repeating the exact same steps that I did on the inner ring. Alright, so I have all of my mesh in place. It's so cute and poofy. Now I'm going to take the rest of my mesh, cut it into 8-inch long pieces, and cut my ribbon into 10-inch long pieces. Then we're going to make bundles and place them throughout the wreath. So I'm going to roll my mesh into a cute little curl, crisscross them, take my ribbon, and you can use only mesh, you can use only ribbon, you can use more pieces, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to go with this, scrunch it in the center, untwist my stem, place my bundle, and twist it. And then tuck it away, because I'm not going to add any more mesh after this. And you can just kind of like adjust and maneuver. But we'll do that a little more once we have all of our mesh in place. So I'm going to do that for each of my stems, rolling my mesh into cute little curls, adding my ribbon, and then this time I'm going to just kind of alternate the order of everything. Come to my next stem, untwist, place my mesh, and twist it, and then tuck it away. Alright, I'm going to get the inner ring done and show you what it's looking like. this is the inner stem complete. So cute and poofy. Now I'm going to complete the outer stem and then we'll add our adorable sign to the center. And I'm not going to add any ribbon to the outer ring, only the inner ring. So I'm just going to add my mesh and tuck it away. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring. Alright, so I have all of my mesh and ribbon in place. It's so cute and poofy. You could definitely leave it like this. I do that often. I think it's so cute and precious. I'm going to add this adorable sign to my center. But you can have fun with it. You can add leaves, pumpkins, any other type of fall decor that you like. We're going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm going to hot glue it in place, making sure I keep enough of my stem hanging off the side of the sign to easily attach it to my ring. So I'm just going to kind of push the mesh outward and snugly place my sign in the center. I'm going to push the mesh aside, find my actual wreath ring, and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace my mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Alright, and then I'm just going to adjust my mesh, make sure I don't have any gaps or spaces. And then you can just maneuver it just like that. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style. You can add in any additional embellishments you prefer. Some really cute fall leaves or any styrofoam decor. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.